Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey, good evening and welcome back in. A nice, whoa, did you guys see that? Birds come flying through out of nowhere, man. Oh, there's another one. This is madness outside here. It's probably because the heat's getting to them. Make them a little crazy. 87 degrees, our current temperature right now. Those dew points climbing into the low 60s. I don't know if someone's playing a trick on me or what. This is madness. Birds flying all over the place here, and the dew points are climbing, so the humidity is nice and warm. Temperatures currently at Richmond, 90 degrees. We've got the 9-0 on the map for us, and that's going to keep us going here into the weekend. We're going to be seeing a lot more of that, especially as we get into next week. We do get some ups and downs in between. So far, sitting at our high temperature for the day, as we have 87 in Lexington. We're expecting that number to continue to climb as we head into your Father's Day weekend. Tomorrow, similar story, hot, humid, and 88. An isolated storm can't be ruled out in the afternoon, though. That's going to lead us actually into a more comfortable Saturday, pleasant, summer-like day, maybe a little less humid. And the scorching heat comes back for us on Sunday, Father's Day, looking at 93, feeling closer to like 95 plus. And that is going to be the start of what will be likely a heat wave heading into next week. Let's first talk about those storm chances. High pressure keeping us in the sunshine right now. Things are great. Things are clear. We've got this cold front that's bringing a slew of severe weather opportunities to our northwest. It's heading our way, but at a very slow pace. Not expecting any severe weather here, but watch as Futurecast takes in some higher clouds for us by tomorrow morning. And in our northern zones, we could see a couple stray showers clip the northern parts of Kentucky to wake up to tomorrow. As we go throughout the middle of the day, things are going to dry out, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at times, and then that cold front continues to drop in slowly. A couple of isolated chances after about 5 or 6 o'clock, maybe a stronger gusty shower, but still not expecting much in severe weather terms as we head into Friday night. That cold front passes by and we clear back out heading into the weekend. Then we got to start talking about what's going to come our way after a nice Saturday. The next big thing is that heat coming through. That high pressure dome we talk about is just going to park itself over the northeast, pulls up a bunch of tropical moisture. It gets very hot for us here, and this thing is going to linger through the majority of next week. We're talking about 90 plus starting Sunday, and I don't see an end in sight past that 7-day forecast. It's going to be tougher to get. We need a bigger system to come through, and we need that high pressure to break down to get out of that heat. The other important note is we could see some excessive heat opportunities from Monday and beyond as those dew points get into the muggy and even close to the oppressive category. That feels like temps in the upper 90s, and that's something that could lead to a couple of issues for us as we get into next week. Now, on average, 90-degree days in Lexington, they're not hard to come by. We get about 25 every year. Last year, we only had 23. The year before that, we had 35. We'll see how many of those 90s we get, but we're going to start the trend, the first one of the calendar year. The summer, of course, comes in for us likely on Sunday unless we can tiptoe to it tomorrow. And with that, we have a chance for a couple of spotty storms each day as that heat wave gets going into next week. That's all we've got for weather. Sports next.